Good morning everyone. I have recommended for interesting tourism attraction in Bali for you.
What place is that?
This place I recommend is Trunyan Village.
Where is Trunyan Village?
Trunyan Village or Trunyan is a village which is administratively located in Kintamani District, Bangli Regency, Province Bali, Indonesia.
What unique about Trunyan Village?
Trunyan Village is known to have a unique funeral tradition compared to other villages on the island of Bali. The uniqueness Trunyan Village is the traditional of placing the bodies in the burial area without being buried or cremated first.
Can you explain that Trunyan Village?
Of course, Trunyan name itself is in that the name of a burial place in Bali, which is located in the village of Trunyan, Bali. If you come here, you never expect to see a dead person or put in a soul and the put in a coffin and buried. Because in Trunyan Bali village, the bodies of people who have died will be lying in a special place called Semboya. Then the task of the surviving family members, it is only enough to fence the dead body with bamboo and then store the offering next to the corpse. If we look at it logical, the first is that if the corpus is buried by placing it in the open or not being buried, it's trained that in a few days it will emit a pleasant smell, a bad smell, right? No, this is different from the Trunyan grave in Bali, even though it is just a placed under the trees or in a special place that is open only by a bamboo fence, but the corpses of people who did and were living in the village of Trunyan, Bali did not emit a bad smell at a strong itself. If you ask why the corpus in the Trunyan Kintamani cemetery does not smell, because of the name of the tree, namely the Tarumenyan tree or rock, and all tree that start right in the middle of the cemetery area of Trunyan Village, Bali. Then why with the Trunyan tree, the corpus of the dead don't stick? This is because the origin of the name Tarumenyan tree itself comes from two syllables, namely Taru, which means tree, and Menyan, which means fragrant. So the conclusion is that the Trunyan tree is a fragrant tree, so that it can neutralize the stench of the corpse beneath in it. Then if you come to the Trunyan Bali Village cemetery, you don't have to worry about the stench of the corpus lying there.
Excuse me, Mila, before we go to the location, can you explain the route to the Trunyan Village?
Of course, To get to the located, you need 1 hour. To get there first, you will pass Chok Tampak Siring and keep going straight until you find or see Mount Batur. And you also have to pass Penolokan village and go down the road to Lake Batur, arriving at Kedisan village. There are already available boat on the edge of the river. You can cross Lake Batur to get to the Trunyan village, which takes about 45 minutes to the located. Trunyan village is located on the edge of Lake Batur and is surrounded by hills.
Okay, thanks for the explanation. I want to know how the history of Trunyan village is.
Trunyan village, history Bali. History Bali. If you talk about the burial method of the unique Trunyan village community, it turns out that it cannot be separated from the history of the founding of this village. The story is short. Once upon a time, there were 3 princes and 1 princess from a kingdom on the island of Java. Namely, the kingdom of Surakarta, where they are very interested and curious about something that smile. Very facts that approaches the kingdom territory. Finally, for the dumb decide to wander to find the sword or the fragrant smell. Until in the middle of their journey they stopped precisely at the foot the Mount Batur. The princess was interested in living there, and it was decided she was left alone to still there, which later had the little Ratu Ayu Marketa. Godstone statue. Then the remaining 3 princes continue the journey until the arriving in the area of Kedisan. They heard the sound of a melodious bird. While hearing the voice, it was said that the prince number 3 was very interesting and jumped for joy, and it made the first princess angry. Then the 3rd princess was ordered to stay there, but he refused, and the first princess was angry and kicked him until he fell and became a stone statue of the good. Then the 2 princes continued their journey until they arrived at a village and found 2 beautiful village girls, and the 2nd princess did not have the power to greet him, but the 1st princess did not like it, and he kicked the 2nd princess on his stomach. But it is said that the 2nd princess is still alive and become the village heart in an area called Abang Duk village, which in the local language means face now. Queen Ayu pinggit in beside. Then the 1st princess continued his journey alone until finally he found the destination of his wandering, namely the source of the smell in the tarumanyan tree. Since then, the sweet smell of the taru inside their house ceased to be smelled, and the church have not emitted of all other adhered. And finally, the funeral traditional in the Trunyan village of Bali, which is also called Mapasaha, is still maintained and has been spared to its day. Okay, do you have any more question for this tourism sport?
No thanks for the explanations you gave. This place is very nice and very interesting. And I think that now, maybe later, me and my family can visit tours interaction in this Trunyan village.
It's okay if it's not there. Hopefully today you all felt happy and enjoy it, and hopefully we will meet again another time. Happy holiday!